who Fatima Zahra is. Today I want to define, when the Holy Prophet describes her stature, that Fatima to Sayyidatun Nisa'i Ahl al-Jannah according to Sahih Bukhari. Ba'da Kitab al-Bari Sahih al-Bukhari. Our brothers believe that after the book of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, the most authentic book is Sahih Bukhari. And Imam Bukhari, Imam Muhammad ibn Ismail Bukhari, in his book Sahih Bukhari, mentions in the Bab, in the chapter, Bab Manaqib Fatima, yes, the chapter where he defines the merits of Hazrat Fatima. That Fatima to Sayyidatun Nisa'i Ahl al-Jannah, she is the queen of all the ladies in the paradise. And in the paradise will be Hazrat Hawa, Eve, Hazrat Hajra, Hazrat Sarah, Hazrat Asiya, Hazrat Maryam, Hazrat Khadija. All the best ladies of the world will be in the paradise, and the queen will be Hazrat Fatima. When the Holy Prophet says, Lawla Ali